All right. So a lot of people miss number 7. They chose A or B. It was kind of a half and half. Those are not the right answers. This is again how many cubes with a side length of 1/2 inches will fit completely inside the prism. So this is a volume of the big divided by volume of the small. And we've kind of gotten used to, hey, it has an edge length of 1/2. So you might have already memorized this as 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/8. So this is the volume of the small. Then we have to find the volume of the big. Well, that's 2.5 times 3.5 times 5. Convert this, you get 5/2, 7/2, 5/1. I'm going to use a calculator to do 5 times 7 times 5, and I'm going to get 175. 2 times 2 times 1 is 4. I would not convert it yet. I'd just leave it that way and get 175 fourths divided by 1/8. Then it's keep, change, reciprocal. Of course, I'm going to use my calculator. 175 times 8 is 1,400. 4 times 1 is 4. And then if you just do 1,400 divided by 4, you're going to get 350. And that would just be cubes. Okay? So, problem number 9, you also had an issue with. And you're all over the place on what you thought was the correct answer. This is a very similar question. How many cubes with the side measures of 1/2 centimeter will fit inside a right rectangular prism? Has a height of 4.5, a width of 10, and a length of 12.5. So this is exactly the same way. Volume of the big, volume of the small. And we just did this 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. So, 1/8. That's the volume of the small. Volume of the big, 4.5 times 10 times 12.5. Convert it to improper fractions. 9/2 times 10 over 1, 25 over 2. Multiply it, get this. If you just leave it as this, you're going to get something close to 562. So I would just go, hey, this is 2,250 fourths divided by 1/8. So I'm going to do keep, change, reciprocal. So that's going to be 4. I'm going to absolutely, in my calculator, do 2,250 times 8. I'm going to get 18,000. Divide that by 4. And when I do that, I get exactly 4,500, which is A. All right. Problem number 10, our last problem on the test, was also a most missed question. A water container in the shape of a rectangular prism has these measurements. If a cubic meter of water costs $1.20, what is the cost to fill the container? So what we just need to do is find the volume, and then we just need to multiply it by $1.20. So we have 2 times 3/4 times 1/2. I'm going to put that over 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 6, 8. Okay, so we could change that, if we wanted to, change this to 3/4. You might know that 3/4 is also equal to like the decimal of 75/100. But then we want to multiply that by the $1.20. So you could either put it in your fraction, put it in your calculator as 3/4 times $1.20, or I did 75/100 times $1.20. And when you do that, you get 9/10, which in money is going to be 90 cents, which is B.